Baby, you're looking very fine. Yes. Hey. Sorry. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Valentine's Day or past Valentine's Day. But anyway, welcome to my 48-hour review of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. You know, I love this device because, you know, me, I like foldables, you know, something that open and close. Anyway, so the Z Flip, right, you know, this is solid. It's not like the Motorola Razr. This does not make squeak noise. It's like this, bang, solid. I like this device because of the core. Hey, there are many things I like it. First of all, I'm sexy. That's number one. Number two on the Z Flip is the fact that this thing can open into a 6.7-inch device like this, and it can close, right? And fit inside my pocket. Look at that. That's it. It has disappeared. But this device is solid though. There are many features of the Z Flip, right? Z Flip. The very first feature I like is the fact that you can use it and take your own picture, right? So you just open it like this, right? And you just drop it on the table, and then you can just wave your hand, right? And you can take picture. And it's very nice, it's very simple. But I like to use it when I'm giving my dictator message. Sorry, I am talking to my people. I use it to record my video and I talk to them. I tell them how, you know, I'm very, very happy. So I like that feature as well because you put it in this L shape and it can rest on the table. This L shape is also very useful when you are using the dual app. So you can use two apps at the same time. App at the top, app at the bottom. So the top, I'm watching YouTube, and the bottom, I'm looking at Facebook, looking at my children. I don't have children. Just browsing Facebook. Yes, browsing Facebook and watching YouTube. I can do two apps at the same time. This also has a lot of Samsung features. It has a reverse wireless charging. So, you know the Galaxy Buds Plus, this new one right here. I have it. You don't have it. I have it. I can charge it on the back of the phone like this. I just put it on top, I charge, that's it. That's a very good feature. But what I like the most is the camera. You know all those features that you people saw on the S20 Ultra, the Ultra, right? You have it here, single take. I can stay there and take multiple pictures, and I'm just looking fresh. Hey! Fresh and check. So you have a single take, you can do 4K 60 in terms of video quality. And of course, besides after that, you know, you can also I can take picture of, you know, my lovely babe, you know, because, you know, the Galaxy Z Flip takes some very good flip photos, daytime, nighttime, you know, evening time. Every time you want to use it, you take those photos. But the best thing of all, you know, I'm a very busy man. I like, you know, sometimes people are disturbing me in my country. So when I get like an emergency call like this, and I answer and I say, what's going on with the rebels? You want me to come and stop them? I have to go inside the jungle, right? I take my phone, I close it, I put it inside my pocket like this. Bam! Ha! I'm ready. That's right. That's how Cengo gets inside the action because of the Galaxy Z Flip. Don't worry, this video is not sponsored by Samsung. They don't sponsor me. I wish they sponsored, you know, it would be very nice because, you know, things are very tough. But, yeah, my wife is calling me back. Anyway, I have to cut this one short. So, thank you very much, people. I really enjoyed you people checking out the Galaxy Z Flip. They come in 3 colors. You have black like this, just like my skin color. And you also have purple, right? The purple one is nice, but if you want to be like Singala, get the black one. And then there's gold. That's the one that I like to use. I'm not going to show you now here because I'm getting it later on in the mail. The gold one just says you have money and you have pride. So get the gold. Anyway, thank you very much, people. If you like they say, if you have any questions, any comments, leave them down below. Singala is here to your rescue. I'll be doing some more videos on the YouTube stories. So stay tuned and stay activated. Singala out.